guys, it's post-race day. And, yeah, I got nothing really good to tell you, eh? Let's just cut to the footage and then talk about what happened. Let's do that. Alright guys, I'm going to get ready, put my Teletubby suit on. The Hoffs were trying to work out how he's going to mount his GoPro. Let's make this all happen, eh? Yeah. Let's go. So what happened? Well, a lot happened. Let's have a look. Alright, so as you would have seen in the video, this thing literally caught on fire, smoke everywhere. What it was, the oil filter, the O-ring, decided that it had had enough and had separated from its seal, which is what caused all the trouble. I'm not going to bag out on the brand or anything like that. I think it was just a freak thing, and that's that. Cool. See that sexy fella over there? Yeah. Are you nervous?
A little, yeah.
Why is that?
Someone may have spun on the very last time they drove the car.
4AGE engine. Individual throttle bodies. Some pretty hectic looking extractors. Hey Hoff, what does this thing make?
Dort noises.
Lots of noises.
Dort noises?
Dort.
188.
188 horsepower. At how many revs?
9,300.
Holy Jesus.
It spins forever there too, it sounds awful.
I just wanted to say thank you to Hoff for accepting my challenge of coming out today. This should be fun. You're not sure to be thankful
I'm
yet?
not sure how you're benefiting from this. I'm not at work, so that's great.
Yeah. I thought we'd take the chance while we got and go and have some fun with our cars.
Yeah, I forgot I had this.
Yeah, I forgot you had this. You did what I did last week, those red lights. You don't really look at them, eh?
I didn't see the flag, eh?
Nah. You did well, mate.
You wasn't out.
You look like you gave it a full send there, bud.
I was trying.
Yeah, looks good. All four wheels into turn 3. I love it.
Did it get full?
Yeah, you had all four wheels sliding.
Oh,
Turn 3, yeah. So that's your whole first track session, mate. How do you feel?
I've either got a flat tyre or I cooked the tyres because it wouldn't turn.
Told you it was flat.
You actually fully sent it, dude, in that last couple of sessions. You really done well.
That was mostly the car. That last one, that was a bit. She was good fun, man. Thanks for inviting me. Do the next one as well.
Yeah, you're gonna come out and do
If I can afford it.
King and QR.
Yeah.
Sweet. Alright, guys.
Maybe we can keep yours on the track.
Yeah, we try and keep my car on the track, which is that's like another mission upon a mission. But anyway, guys, here it is. Oh, the light's terrible. There we go. We can see each other. Hey, mate.
Doesn't look any better from where I'm looking.
I don't think everyone realises how tall Hoff is. He's like, shut up, no. I guess the driver home. Alright, let's see if we fix this oil leak. So one thing I was worried about was oil pressure. There we go. That's fine. Woohoo! It's all good. So I would like to say a massive thank you to Hoff for coming out. Andrew and Aaron and your family, mate. Thanks for coming out and giving us a hand. Car's currently on the hoist. We're gonna pull the coilovers out, replace the coilovers, bleed the brakes, clean the rest of the oil off. The chassis build, as if you guys have been following the channel for a while, you know the chassis build is is going to be slow. I'm not in a massive hurry. I'm more or less, after World Time Attack, I'm really going to get stuck into it and hopefully have majority of what I need done. Went and got a full link kit this week from Mex's garage, and also ordered a Watts link with adjustable center and all the cool stuff. So yeah, it's going to be pretty full on, guys. So I do really appreciate you guys checking in on me and watching my videos. There's always, I've got so much planned between now and the end of the year. There's lots and lots happening. We will be doing another video soon with the Hoff, King and QR in September. So if you guys would like to come out for that, that'd be great. I believe it's on a Saturday. I'll have to get back to you on the information. But yeah, anyone else who'd like to collaborate and do a video with us, more than happy to have a chat to you and see what's going on. We'll get this chassis going, get to World Time Attack with the race car, hopefully have it, you know, working. Yeah, we'll see. Still a lot to play with, guys. Still a lot of work to do. Anyway, guys, hope everyone's doing really well. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch up with you all real soon.